Go.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, what?
Oh my god, this smells so good.
La Pulga Tequila and Mezcal, right here. Direct from Fort Worth, Texas. That's what we're drinking right now.
Yeah, I'm a huge Mezcal fan now.
So, this is Des and Jeff Watch Stuff, where we talk about what we watched. And I'm going to throw it right to my wife. What did we watch? What did you watch?
I watched Capsized, Blood in the Water.
Right.
It was based on true events.
Oh, great.
Where I think it was 5 or 6 people in this little dinghy of a boat are sailing off the coast of wherever.
Madagascar?
No.
Our dog's barking.
Like, I don't know, Virginia or something.
Oh. I don't know. Off the coast of Madagascar. No, I don't know. I thought it was about the penguins. I'm going to drink tequila while you explain. Explain the plot.
They got stuck in a storm. The storm capsized the boat.
Oh, no.
But before that happened, the one girl cut her leg. So when she gets in the water, she's bleeding profusely. And of course, it's the drunk guy that leads up to all this because he wasn't paying attention to the weather and the radio and all that stuff. So it was all his fault. Yeah. Well, yeah, he was a jerk through the whole thing, and I think he dies there anyway. But
so is this a documentary or a movie about a true story?
A movie about a true story.
Okay, because I know you like to watch a lot of documentaries.
I do.
Okay.
Yeah. No, this was.
Okay, I'll continue to drink tequila.
Okay.
Okay, so off the coast of Barbados.
Yes. No.
We've been drinking.
It's off the coast of the Carolinas, I think.
Okay.
They were headed to Florida, I think.
Let me guess, they're sharks.
Shark-infested waters because they're out in the middle of the ocean. She's bleeding now, this big gash on her leg.
Oh no.
And the boat flips. They all crawl into the little life raft there.
Okay.
And the crazy drunk guy goes crazy.
Well, he's probably,
and like
drunk.
Yeah, and then the other guy goes crazy, and one tries to kill the other when they're all on this boat. At the end, there's like 2 people left.
Well,
I think maybe 1, but I think it was 2. Yeah.
So this is another movie you watched. That's God, there's a name for it. Actually, I learned it the other day.
Oh.
Like where a movie or a show takes place in one locale.
Yep.
I think it's called a bottle episode in TV, but a bottle movie. I don't remember where I saw. Maybe Kevin Smith said it the other day. I don't remember.
The whole thing takes place on the boat.
On the boat, basically. Yeah. So they start off in the boat and they end up in the raft, and again, I'll say this, and I said this last time we talked about Fall with the big tower. I love movies that have a premise like that, and this one was a true story that can hold your attention. Did this hold your attention?
It did. It did because I'm scared of deep water and sharks.
Can't wait till we go on a cruise.
I won't be doing that. So yeah, I liked it though because there was more to the story. Like one guy goes crazy, and the girl that has the cut on her leg, she eventually dies.
Oh.
And her husband was the captain.
Oh no!
Stuff like that.
Oh.
I mean, it was, there was a relationship between all these people.
Sharks eat them. Sharks eat her.
He does eat people. He doesn't eat her particularly, but
she just dies because of the blood on her leg, because of the wound. Oh, look at that! Shark missed out. Bruce missed out.
Oh, they got their feast. Trust me. It's so freaky.
Yeah, things like that do freak me out, but I think if we're on a cruise, we'll be safe. No sharks are coming on the boat, on the big boat. It will be fine. You don't have to go. I'll go by myself. Me and Joe Summerdack will go on a cruise together.
Okay.
And Aaron.
Okay.
We'll leave the wives at home.
All right.
So, how old is this movie? Is it new? I've never heard. It's
from 2019, but the story is from like the early 80s.
Oh, okay. Oh, is it very 80s or no?
No, not really. They didn't make it all, weird 80s.
All neon lights and stuff.
All yacht rockish.
That would have been good.
No.
And do a little Christopher Cross.
No, it actually
bad joke.
Looks like it took place now, so they kept it modern, but the story came from the 80s.
Okay. So you researched the story too?
No.
Okay. I was gonna say, how much of the real story is in the actual movie?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, right. You don't care about you don't care about stuff like that. I'm the one who wants to know how the sausage is made.
Well, then you should watch the movie.
Well, you didn't even tell me about it.
I don't like how the sausage is made.
You could have been like, you could have been like, oh, honey, let's go watch this movie together.
I think I watched this one night while you were out playing Weekend Rockstar.
Oh, okay. Well, there's an excuse.
Well, I was sick.
Hey, look, the TV shows don't make us money. We need to make money at, me playing Weekend Rockstar.
Yeah, and I get to do research at home while you're doing it.
Right. So what I'm saying is, I think anyone they should support the show. Just send us some money through PayPal or something.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so Blood in the Water or whatever. What was it called? Death Blood Sharks. Capsized
Blood in the Water.
It does sound metal. Blood in the Water. Okay. What would you rank it? 1 through 10.
I mean, it wasn't the most exciting movie, but it was the story. What could they do?
Remember, anything over a 5 is watchable.
7.5.
Wow. Wow. That's a lot.
Is it?
That's a big one, yeah.
Oh.
So I guess you did like it.
See, I always feel like anything above a 7 is good.
I'd say anything above 5 is watchable. Anything above like 7 is really good.
Okay, so it's a 6.8.
Okay, whatever. You could.
No, it wasn't like that. Like I wouldn't.
So you're not gonna watch it again.
No.
But it's good.
It's good.
Is it long or no? Is it like real quick?
It's average.
Like the usual, like hour 45 maybe.
Yeah, there's no like dead time. Like it just goes. Like they just got to the meat of the story. The meat of the story.
Meat.
The meat was in the water once the guy fell in. But
is it really violent and gory?
It's a little gory.
Okay. Well, there you go. What was the name of the movie again? We've been drinking tequila. I'm starting to
Capsized.
Capsized.
Blood in the Water.
Blood in the Water.
It's on the Discovery Channel.
Okay. There you go.
Yes.
Beware sharks.